Meron na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin dalawang joker guys. Katin natin guys. Ngayon guys, kukuha tayo ng 26 cards guys. Hatiin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Suksukin natin guys. Kukuha tayo ng 16 cards guys. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yung spectator guys, pipili ng isang files guys. Sample, ito ang napili niya guys, yung spectator. Ito naman yung card ng magician guys. Uhulaan natin yung card ng spectator guys. Kung red cards or black cards guys. Base dito sa bra ng magician guys. Tignan natin guys yung bra ng magician. Red cards. Black cards ito guys. Red cards. Black cards ito guys. Red cards ito guys. Red cards. Red cards. Black cards. Red cards. Black cards. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.